Guys, do you feel that the pickup of your Suzuki Access or your Honda Activa has dropped? Or if you feel that your mileage has dropped a little bit these days, then this small part on your scooter can be the reason, guys. And yes, it is the roller weights. Now most people change them blindly, but in this video I am going to explain to you in details how your roller weights actually affect the pickup and the mileage of your scooter. And I am also going to tell you which one you should be using. So it is going to be a very interesting video, guys. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. And remember, guys, to press that hype button so that this video goes viral, guys. Make this video viral by pressing that hype button. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. Now guys, first thing, let's see what are these roller weights in the first place. Because many people don't even know what are roller weights. Roller weights are round cylinder like weights that sit inside of your variator near the pulley. And these weights control a very important thing, guys. These weights control how fast your pulley opens up, and because of which it directly affects your RPM, guys. It affects your acceleration. It affects your top speed as well. And guys, it affects your mileage as well in the end. So how many of you guys are now panicking? Do let me know in the comment section below. This is the reason why, guys, even a slightest change in the roller weight makes a big difference. So having said all of that, let's see first what happens if you put light roller weights. Yes guys, if you put light rollers, what am I saying? Right? Yes. Did I spell that correctly? Yes. So what happens if you put very light roller weights inside of your variator? What will happen? First thing that will happen is it will increase the RPM of your bike. So the RPM has increased now. Because the RPM has increased, you will get a good pickup. Now many people will like this and they will go and reduce the weights of their rollers. Wait guys, wait, watch the video first. Now you are getting a good pickup because now you have better acceleration. Yes guys, the acceleration has increased. The acceleration has increased because of which you are getting a good pickup. And now your bike will feel sporty. Yes guys, your bike will feel sporty now. Now after seeing all these things, many of you guys are now interested to lower the weight of their rollers. But wait guys, wait. First we'll see the downside of it. So here I will write downside. Let's see, everything has a downside, guys. So let's see what is the downside. And the first downside is, guys, the engine stays on high RPM for a long period of time. Engine stays on high RPM longer. Yes guys. Now because there is too much acceleration, now your mileage is going to drop. How many of you guys like it? Do let me know in the comment section below. How many of you guys want good pickup but you don't care about the mileage? Do let me know in the comment section below. And the third thing is, guys, the engine will get strained because now it is on high RPM or all the time. Now who this is good for, that also we will see, guys, don't worry. So here I will make a partition and here I will write good for. Let's see who it is good for now. This setting is good for heavy riders, guys. If you are heavyweight champion, I will write here heavy riders. If your weight is too much, then guys this can help you because it will give you a better pickup. Another place where it can help you is if you ride your bike or scooter or Honda Activa, Suzuki Access too much in the traffic, then city traffic, it will help you in city traffic, guys, because now you have better acceleration, now you have better pickup, and now you can overtake others very easily. If you are stopping your bike every now and then you are going ahead like how you ride in the city or in the traffic, then it is going to help you. Stop and go situation. Yes guys, it is going to help you in this type of situations. But are you going to reduce the weight of your rollers? Don't do it before watching this entire video, guys. Watch the entire video first and then take your decision, because now I am going to tell you guys what happens if you put heavy rollers on your scooter. So before I do that, let me wipe the board first. because it is filled up already with all this what I have written and what you have learned from what I have written. So let's see now guys, what happens if you put heavy rollers. Yes guys, let's check it out. So the first thing that happens when you increase the weight of your rollers is it will lower the RPM. Yes guys, now since the RPM has dropped, it will drop the pickup as well. So slower pickup. Yes guys, now pickup is gone, but you will have smooth riding. Yes guys, not too much acceleration, only smooth riding you will get guys, which indeed guys will increase your mileage a little bit. Yes, it will increase your mileage. Now people are confused. Now they don't know what to do. They want better pickup as well as better mileage. Now you are damn confused. Do let me know what you are going to do in the comment section below guys. But before you do anything, let's see the downside of this. This also has a downside. Don't worry guys, don't worry. Everything has a downside. Okay. The first downside is guys, it will give you a sluggish acceleration. Yes guys, acceleration will drop because RPM is lower now. And if you are riding too much on the slopes, on the inclines, then your engine will suffer. Yes guys, engine will suffer on inclines. Yes guys, it will suffer. It will not go smoothly on the slope because now your acceleration is dropped. And also guys, you will get a poor performance in the traffic. Now you will not be able to overtake others easily because now your pickup has dropped. When you accelerate, the bike goes ahead slowly. It takes time to overtake, because of which you will suffer in the traffic. Yes guys, now let's see what this is good for whom this is good for. Yes guys, do let me know if it is good for you, then comment below guys. This is good for highway use. If you are riding your bike all the time on the highway, smoothly cruising, no fast acceleration, don't need good pickup, only cruising on long distances, then this is good for you. If you are a very light rider, if the rider's weight is less, then also guys, this is going to help you. This is good for you. And the third thing is guys, if you are a mileage focused rider, you only care about the mileage and you don't care about anything else, then this is good for you. Mileage focused rider. Yes guys, if you only care about the mileage, then this is good for you. Now I will tell you guys what are the common mistakes that people do. Most people, what they think is lighter roller weights means automatically better performance. But that's not right guys. If roller weight is too light, then your engine will scream all the time. Your mileage is going to drop. If you put too heavy roller weights, then you are going to have a dull pickup and you are going to suffer in your overtaking because overtakes are not safe anymore. That is the reason why guys, factory roller weights are chosen as a balance. They are engineered guys. They have found the perfect balance between the both, and that is the reason why they have used those roller weights on that particular scooter. They are not just there randomly guys. They have found the sweet spot, and now you are mixing it up by putting the weights of your choice. They have already done the hard work for you guys, but you don't want that. You want to change it, and then either your bike suffers or you suffer. So what should you choose? My advice here is stick to the stock roller weights, as simple as that. Now guys, I will tell you signs on which you will come to know that it's time to change your roller weights. And the first thing is, if you are experiencing poor pickup even after servicing, then it's better to check your roller weights. If your RPM is too high on low speeds, then also do check your roller weights once. If your mileage suddenly drops, then also check your roller weights. And if your scooter is vibrating too much when you are accelerating, then also guys, do check your roller weights once. I already have a detailed video on how to change the roller weights. I will put a link of it in the end screen, so you can later go there and watch that video and replace your roller weights by yourself at home in your home garage guys. That is why you are here for in the first place. And if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share it with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. And remember to press that hype button so that this video goes viral. Till then, this is Raison Fernandez signing out. Until we meet again.